Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use mid function in WPS Spreadsheet. So for example, we have here two columns, first one with names and the second one with numbers. If you want to use mid function, you need to select the cell where you want to insert it. So for example, I click double time here and I type here equal sign, I type here mid, and then you can read here that it returns the characters with a specified length from a given starting position in a text string. So now I need to open the bracket, I need to select text, which I want to edit, so I select this text, I press comma, and I need to type here a starting number. So for example, if I will type 3, the starting number will be 0. And then we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So now I type comma and I type here 5. Then I close the bracket and I press enter. And the effect of this function is to get numbers from third position. And if you will start from this position, you will get the 5 numbers. Yeah, so it is the result. If you want to get the same effect for other numbers, you need to click double time on this green square. Then this function will be applied to other cells. So how you see it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in a comment if it's a fair problem.